Looking for a reliable outdoor storage solution? The Aoxun 6.2x4 FT metal garden shed, your new backyard essential. Built with heavy-duty galvanized steel, this shed is weather-resistant, windproof up to grade 6, and supports up to 6 inches of snow. Its sloped roof design ensures proper water drainage, while vents keep the inside cool and breathable. We'll get spacious storage for bikes, tools, outdoor furniture. It's even versatile enough to be used as a pet shelter. Or garbage enclosure? The lockable doors add extra security. Step-by-step instructions make assembly super easy. For just $143, it's a durable, practical upgrade for your patio, backyard, or poolside. Grab yours now on Amazon. Link in description.